Hey guys, today we're diving into one of the most heated matchups in the Linux world, Arch Linux versus Fedora. Two powerful distros with massive communities, but completely different philosophies. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is the better fit for you. Let's start with Arch Linux. Arch is the distro for people who want total control. You install everything yourself: the desktop, the drivers, the packages, the system services, the whole thing. It's lightweight, it's customizable, and it's as minimal as you want it to be. The real power of Arch is in two things: the Arch user repository and the rolling release model. The Arch user repository gives you access to almost every package on the planet, often long before other distros get them. And because Arch is rolling release, you're always on the latest kernels, drivers, and software. No waiting 6 months or a year for updates. But the trade-off is obvious. Arch demands time, patience, and a bit of bravery. Break something, you're debugging it. Update goes wrong, you're fixing it. If you love tinkering, it's a dream. If you just want to get work done, maybe not. Now let's talk about Fedora, which takes a completely different approach. Fedora is modern, polished, stable, and heavily backed by Red Hat. It uses a fixed release cycle, every 6 months, which gives you new features without the chaos of a true rolling distro. Fedora is perfect if you want recent software but still want reliability. The default GNOME experience is one of the cleanest in the Linux world. Networking, drivers, containers, virtualization, all first class. And because Fedora tends to introduce new Linux technologies early, you get things like the latest Wayland improvements, Pipewire, new Mesa updates, and cutting-edge kernel work before they hit Ubuntu or Mint. The trade-off? Fedora is not as customizable as Arch, and some proprietary software requires extra setup, but overall it's far more stable, especially for daily work, development, and production use. So, which one is better? Choose Arch Linux if you love building your system from scratch, want full control, and don't mind occasional troubleshooting. It's the perfect distro for tinkerers, enthusiasts, and anyone who wants the newest software instantly. Choose Fedora if you want a modern, polished, reliable system that still feels fresh and up to date. It's ideal for developers, creators, workstation users, and anyone who wants a just works Linux experience. Here's the bottom line. Arch is freedom. Fedora is balance. Arch gives you full customization. Fedora gives you stability with modern tech. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe. I compare the biggest Linux distros, AI tools, and tech platforms every week. Now tell me, Arch or Fedora? Which one would you choose? Drop your pick in the comments. I love hearing from real users.